going through town.
Hey, little bear. Where'd you learn that song?
You, Daddy.
Oh, you ready to go? Okay.
Driving through town, just my boy and me, with a Happy Meal in his booster seat, knowing that he couldn't have the toy till his nuggets were gone. A green traffic light turned straight to red. I hit my brakes and mumbled under my breath. His fries went a-flying and his orange drink covered his lap. Well, in my 4-year-old said a 4-letter word. It started with S, and I was concerned. So I said, son, now where'd you learn to talk like that? He said, I've been watching you, Dad, ain't that cool? I'm your buckaroo, I wanna be like you and eat all my food and grow as tall as you are. We got cowboy boots and camo pants, yeah, we're just alike, hey, ain't we, Dad? I wanna do everything you do, so I've been watching you. We got back home and I went to the barn. I bowed my head and I prayed real hard. Said, Lord, please help me help my stupid self. Then this side of bedtime later that night, turning on my son Scooby-Doo nightlight. He crawled out of bed and he got down on his knees. He closed his little eyes, folded his little hands, spoke to God like he was talking to a friend. And I said, son, now where'd you learn to pray like that? He said, I've been watching you, Dad, ain't that cool? I'm your buckaroo, I wanna be like you and eat all my food and grow as tall as you are. We like fixing things and holding Mama's hand, yeah, we're just alike, hey, ain't we, Dad? I wanna do everything you do, so I've been watching you. With tears in my eyes, I wrapped him in a hug, said my little bear is growing up. And he said, but when I'm big, I'll still know what to do. 'Cause I've been watching you, Dad, ain't that cool? I'm your buckaroo, I wanna be like you and eat all my food and grow as tall as you are. By then I'll be strong as Superman, we'll be just alike, hey, won't we, Dad? When I can do everything you do, 'cause I've been watching you. Hey, yeah. Old man knocked on my front door with my teenage boy and a couple more from up the road. He had him by the collar, said he caught him shooting beer bottles down in a holler and smoking. And I said, is that right? He said they won't speak when spoken to, so which one here belongs to you? And I know one does, 'cause they all started running to your back 40 when they saw me coming on my gator. And I looked him in the eyes and I said, to call the name on the back. Number 37, just 145 and 5'11", maybe. Limelight barely shined on him, but everyone still remembers when he whooped up on that boy way bigger for taking that cheap shot on our little kicker, and they threw him out. Oh man, you should've heard me shout. I yelled, he's mine, that one. Got a wild-haired side and then some. It's no surprise what he's done. He's every last bit of my old man's son, and I'll take the blame and claim him every time. Yeah, man, he's mine, and he'll always be the best thing that ever happened to me. You can't turn it off like electricity. I love him unconditionally. I'll take the blame and claim him every time. Yeah, y'all, he's mine. I thank God he's mine. Bless his heart.
Me and Daddy'd ride around all day, shooting doves off a line in a Chevrolet. Old Lab would jump out the back and fetch 'em up. We'd drive for miles and miles and never once hit blacktop or changed a dial. One little country station was all there was. Checking gates, fixing fence rows. That's how my story goes. If you want to know the real me, just turn the page in my dirt road diary. It's right there for you to see. Every kiss, every beer, every cotton field memory. 10 legs and some Dixieland delight. Riding around windows down on a summer night. I was there, and that was me. It's right here in my dirt road diary. I remember when I turned 16, I got a license and some gasoline. Ain't a curve or a straightaway we didn't fly down. If it wasn't the boys, it was me and her, by fire in a field or down on the river. Every inch of that county was sacred ground. I wish I knew where that old truck was. If it could talk, it could tell on us. If you want to know the real me, just turn the page in my dirt road diary. It's right there for you to see. Every kiss, every beer, every cotton field memory. 10 legs and some Dixieland delight. Riding round windows down on a summer night. I was there, that was me. It's right here in my dirt road diary. It ain't a book underneath my bed, just a dusty memory lane burned in my head. Feeling right, I was there, that was me. It's right here in my dirt road diary. Just ride around my little town and you'll see how I wrote my dirt road diary.